Let's move on to some other stories. Remember, domestic flight operations kick off from Monday, that's 25th of May. The Karnataka government has taken a decision to quarantine all passengers coming from the west states, which they've identified as Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Now, all people coming from these states by air, rail and road will be isolated for 7 days in a quarantine facility. Passengers coming from rest of the states are required to be in home quarantine for 14 days. All passengers going to Bengaluru for short stay are required to submit COVID-19 negative report approved by the ICMR, and it should not be more than 2 days older from the date of travel. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us live from Bengaluru with more details on this. Nagarjun, good morning. There was a lot of talk about whether all passengers will be quarantined in different cities. Now, the Civil Aviation Minister said that this is not practical. It's impossible to implement in every city. But Karnataka has decided that they're going to do it anyway. Do they have the resources to actually ensure that anyone who flies into Bengaluru, anyone who reaches by train also, is immediately quarantined in a government facility?
Good morning, Lakshita. Karnataka government, after a lot of contemplation, did decide that they would be putting these passengers under institutional quarantine, because what they felt is in the last 1 week, every day Karnataka numbers are going more than 100 in number, and this is basically because people coming from Gujarat and Maharashtra. And after a series of meetings, the government did decide that anyone who's coming through rail, air or road from these 6 states, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, will be institutional quarantine, and remaining states will be under 14-day compulsory home quarantine. This is maybe till 31st is what we are told. So from 25th till 31st, most of the domestic passengers coming into Bengaluru will be quarantined, either institutional or home quarantine, and most likely post 31st this would be relaxed is what we are told. But the first week, whoever comes into Bengaluru will be either institutional or compulsory home quarantine.
Okay, so this order is something, of course, that is very interesting, because they're saying that for 1 week they're going to continue with quarantine. What really will change in 1 week, we'll have to see. Nagarjun, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.